Hi friends, welcome to the Microsoft Word video lesson series. In previous tutorial we have learned how to create new document, how to open existing document and how to rename that document. We have also seen how to enter little bit of text into your document. But in this video tutorial we will learn how to enter text in your document and how to work around that text. So let's get started. I have opened my document into Word Online, and now you know how to open Microsoft Word Online in your browser window. So I'm not going into it. I have just opened my already existing document and let's get started. To enter text into your document, just click onto your document and you will find one cursor. Here is the cursor. Cursor is the point from where you can start writing in your document. Cursor will always blink so you can know where is your cursor. Now type whatever you want to write in your document. So I am just typing one paragraph. I love my India. India is very large country. It has given many great personalities. That's it. I have just written one paragraph or one line. You can write as many as you want. There is no limitation. There is no word limitation in Microsoft Word. Now online Microsoft Word will save automatically these changes. We will see versioning in further tutorials, but let's first see how to create and how to work with text. Now you have written one line. What if you want to increase size of font? So to increase font size, go to this font menu or font ribbon and select font size. As you can see, if I increase my font size, it is affecting my text size. So this is how you can increase and decrease your font size. You can also increase your font size and decrease your font size by using Shift, Control, less than and greater than buttons. You will have to press these three buttons at the same time. So this is the shortcut of Microsoft Word. Now to change font style, you can change font style from this menu. For example, I want to set my font style or font to Times New Roman. Then I'll have to just click on this drop down button and select the font whichever you like. So I'm just selecting Times New Roman. So this is how you can change your font size and font. Now there are some quick options provided by this font menu like bold. If you want to make your text bold, then you can select this bold option. And if you want to make your font italic, then this I option is used. And one more quick option is there, which is underline. So if you want to underline your text, then you can use this underline option. So these are some quick font options provided by Microsoft Word. We will learn in more detail how to style your text in future tutorials. Till then, thank you very much.